Facebook ad doesn't care how much you spend on ads. If you don't understand how Facebook algorithm works, you are going to waste your money. So let me tell you how you can fix that. So hi everyone, Krante this side. I coach and consult coaches to build their online business through paid advertisement. So many of the online coaches fail while they run their ads by themselves or through an agency. So I will debug the things that are gonna make your online ads successful. So I have have some pointers with me that I'm gonna take one by one and will tell you that what exactly happened. So it's not about the money you are spending on the ad, it's about the ad quality and ad rank that makes the Facebook ad successful. And it is also about your what exactly the offering. But if your ad is not something which is resonating with the right audience and the technical part of it, then you are targeting to the wrong audience, or the might be bot traffic coming to your audience, or the low traffic from low cities coming onto your landing page or ad might be people be clicking. So let's debug all these points. So first of all, we need to understand that what is the breakdown of Facebook ad algorithm. Okay, so this is we need to understand that Facebook is a social media platform in which people are there to entertain themselves, right? And in the middle of it there's ad platform, because this ad thing, because where there's a traffic, we will generate the marketing or maybe a buzz around it, so that people buy our product services, right? So first of all, let's understand this ad auction. Facebook ads or any social media ad platform works on the basis of ad auction. Okay, so this is the heart of the ad algorithm or the meta ads algorithm. So we need to really understand what is ad auction. So ad auction basically divided into three parts. First is bid amount, how much you are willing to pay. The second is estimated action rates. It's the engagement part, that either people are clicking on your ads or not, either they are liking on it or not. The third is ad quality and relevance. So ad quality and relevance is the part where we understand about that after clicking on your ads and coming onto your landing page or maybe some other channel, maybe or your chat inbox or something, or maybe your lead form, people need to understand that both of the ad and what you're offering is totally resonating or not. If it is not resonating, then what people will do, people will report it, people will mark it as a spam. Then your whatever money you are spending, it's going to be go in the auction part, and people will see the ad, but it will go to the wrong kind of audience, because then it will not be able to understand that which type of audience I this ad should I show to. Okay, so let's understand this via an ad rank formula. Okay, so this algorithm works upon the ad rank. So if your ad rank is higher, by combining these three metrics, that the bid amount what you are paying to the Facebook, so that you show it to more number of people, the estimated action rate, what are the kind of engagement are you getting, are the people liking your ad, are they commenting on it. The third is ad quality, and how you can make it relevant to more audience, right? So there's a simple formula which says ad rank, the ad rank of your ad is equals to bid multiplied by estimated action rate plus ad quality. So if you use this formula, if your three things of three parameters, the bid amount, the estimated engagement, or the ad quality and relevance, if you make these three parameters fine, then the ad rank will be higher. So the when your ad rank will be higher, the Facebook will pushes it to the right kind of audience, even when you are doing the open targeting or maybe no relevance in the targeting, because nowadays meta ad has understood that whatever copy is written, the whatever ad copy is written, whatever the video script that you are using in the video ads, whatever it is, AI translate everything and build it into a persona, and it get so resonating with the right audience or find the right audience, right? Now this is the first point that you need to understand about the ad rank. Second point is precise user targeting. What is precise user targeting? So Facebook has, since we all on the Facebook made our profile, okay, we give all the kind of information, our date of birth, our city, place we live in, hometown, our interests, pages we like, our education details, our work details, and all kind of these things, right? So Facebook actually leverages this data of yours, which you have put it on the time of creation of your Facebook profile, or you may be updating in a your profile in a while, and you also be liking some stuff whatever you feel relevant, you like it or you comment on it. That's what the social media is for. So Facebook has this behavior analysis of your online activity on the platform, and apart from other websites also, because every website has cookies in it, okay, and that cookies gets your information and send it to the Facebook algorithm, and that's how Facebook leverages this information, such as demographics, your age, gender, location, your behavior, what are you buying online, what are you not interested, what have you already purchased, your purchase pattern, how frequently you purchase, like whether you are a Facebook user while you are doing some shopping on Flipkart or Amazon. So all this data is in the browser cookies, and this data gets transferred to the Facebook platform also. Now, with this, based upon your pages that you have liked, if you're liking cats, if you're liking dogs, if you're liking homes, so the Facebook puts you in that category, and then they make an interest of that person, that entity basically, and then we leverage that interests in the Facebook targeting option, so that we can achieve, we can target, specifically target we can target people those interests lies the same, right? And then Facebook has this some audience advanced method of creating lookalike audiences, so that they can find similar users to your best customer, okay, so that if you provide 1,000 customers like of yours to Facebook, they will run a similarity some automation in which they will find the same kind of person who are same traits have. So it ranges from 1% to 10%, and then this happen, right? Now the third point is learning phase. So we need to understand about this learning phase. So whenever we run campaigns, Facebook, our ads goes into learning phase, okay, our ad set goes into learning phase, our ad goes to learning phase, the whole campaign goes to learning phase, and it takes around 50 conversions or 25 conversions to make it out of learning phase, so that now Facebook has already understood what exactly type of audience is responding to this ad, and what kind of audience are actually responding to this, okay. So this is about the learning phase. So Facebook, so you do not have to change much before you have launched the campaign. So while you setting up the campaign, have your insights, what are exactly the going to be placements, what exactly are you targeting, age, location and everything, and then you do something which can actually make the campaign go right, and ad rank will be higher, and then it will come out of the learning phase as soon as the ad set in which we are running will get 50 conversions or 25 conversions as of now, okay. Now the fourth point is delivery optimization, which is like goal based results, okay. So some campaigns which we run to Facebook, our campaigns are like, whether we want more clicks, whether we want more views, whether we want more conversion in terms of purchases, whether we want only leads in which we only want data. So you really need to understand the what type of campaigns you are running. So I have seen coaches run traffic campaign, they feel that this traffic campaign will give them more traffic, and the traffic will come onto the landing page and people will convert automatically, right? So this is not going to happen that way. So you need to choose the right campaign structure basically according to your sales funnel that which you are running, right? So this is the fourth point about delivery optimization. So you have to set the campaign objective right, so that it reaches to the maximum right number of people in a right manner, okay, with the right objective. Now the fifth point is about this why Facebook ad should work or not, is the dynamic ad placement, okay. So nowadays Facebook has different materials, different segment of it to people entertain or people use Facebook. So Facebook has this Facebook feed which we see upon while scrolling the Facebook feed. Other has Facebook Reels, Facebook Audience Network, Facebook Sidebar, okay, Instagram Reels, Instagram Stories, Facebook Reels, Messenger Stories. So all these things come under the ad placement. So where you actually want to place your ad so that maximum number of people use it. So nowadays Facebook, Instagram Reels are on a trend. So people are now consuming more of Reels content. So if you create your ad content as per the Reel format, then people will more. It will be more chances that people will get that impression. Okay. Now the sixth point is budget and bidding strategy. So you have to manage your spend on a, you can on a daily basis, or maybe on a maybe campaign basis, that you can decide that this 5,000 is going to be my budget and it will run for 5 days. So it will spend 5,000 rupees altogether in during that 5 days. Or you can decide a particular per day budget that you want to spend on Facebook ads. So having a cost cap, lowest cost, you can set these metrics in which you can actually define that I only want the cost per leads to be 200. Above anything 200, I don't want to spend. Okay, so Facebook will try to find that kind of audience so that it will reach to right number of people. Right, user feedback shapes the performance. So whatever user, if user are feeling that your ad is not like more of an ad, okay, it is looking like a part of their social media feed scrolling, then Facebook will what will say, what it will think that your ad is some content which make people feel like that they are not deviating from the platform. Okay, although you will deviate the user from the platform, you will take them to a landing page, or maybe certain another browser will open, or certain something like this. But Facebook really needs to get more engagement on your ads. If they feel like people are more commenting on it, more clicking on it, more liking it, okay, and maybe sharing it, so then they will feel that this ad is right, it is right, people are engaging it, so then something is right on this ad, right? So this is the seventh point. Now the comes to the eighth point is ad fatigue and frequency management. So what is ad fatigue? So ad fatigue is something that if you are showing your ads to a multiple number of people multiple times, okay, and then the frequency raises. So when we run ads, so Facebook has this metric frequency, in which if the frequency goes one above one means one user is getting one impression, one user is getting one impression. But if this frequency goes to 4 or 5, 2 or 3, then the same ad is going to get delivered to 4 times to a single user, which is a bad thing. And people actually find it very irritating. Then they have this, and Facebook actually shows warning when this happens. Okay, so this you really need to understand upon the matrix upon of your, if you're running a free lead campaign, then there's a certain other matrix you need to understand. If you're running a paid campaigns, then what kind of tracking you have set up, are the tracking is happening or not, like do you really need to understand, like set up the conversion APIs, or maybe the standard events will work. So all of these things you need to understand before setting up the paid campaign or free campaign. So this is a few takeaways of the how you can not spend your money in a bad way, okay, and feel like Facebook ad doesn't work. So you need to understand about your offering in the ads that you are saying. So the key takeaways for this, the key takeaways for online coaches and advertisers who are running their ads is like focus on relevancy. The more engaging and targeted your ad, but the better it performs and lower it costs. So it will lower down your ad cost per acquisition cost, and right people will come into your funnel or maybe your webinar or something. Now test and learn. Okay, Facebook is all about testing and learning new things as per different industry had different standards. Okay, so if you spend 100 rupees on a real estate industry, if you spend 100 rupees on a coaching industry, result will vary. So never expect that how many leads I will get, how many what is the cost per acquisition if I sell 99 rupee product. But yeah, if you are have been in an industry for a longer period of time, then you can assume something. But obviously there will be a time that you will get, there will be a cost. Okay, it is a cost to marketing that you need to really understand before you think that I'm spending money, I should get all the money back and everything's gonna have be having magical thing. And trust the process. Okay, you really need to understand that business is a experimentation game. Business is something that you work upon the data and numbers. Okay, so if you understand the data right of your ad frequency and ad frequencies, other metrics, CPM, CTR, I will talk about this in another kind of video in which I detailed about these metrics, what are they and how they perform. So that I'm going to cover in some other video. But this, for this video, I hope you have got some relevant ideas about how you should run the ads. So with this, I rest my voice. Thank you so much.